We all know how strong AI is. In this video, we're going to make it even stronger by adding our own functions to that. For instance, if you create an application and you're using ChatGPT, you ask it what time is it, it's not going to answer you. But if you create a function that returns the current days and connect it to the OpenAI, it's going to answer. If you're a .NET developer and you're working with AI, this video is for you. So I've created a simple console application here. First of all, we need to install some packages. So I'm going to open a developer PowerShell window and paste these codes. I'm going to install Microsoft.extensions.ai and AI.OpenAI to be able to send OpenAI requests and have an iChat client, which we are going to talk about, and Microsoft.extensions.configuration and configuration.user secrets. And they let me to save my important information like OpenAI API key in a safe mode. Okay, when using user secrets, oh, I got an error. Let's go to cd use tools with AI and then paste them again. Okay. When using user secrets, it's going to save our information somewhere out of the project and going to access them in the runtime. So it's a safe solution for adding important information. You can also load them from an env file or even use Azure functions, which are perfect ways as well. Now I need to add my user secrets like this. The first one says .NET user secrets init. I'm just going to start adding user secrets, and I'm going to set my OpenAI key and my model name to GPT-4o. I run them, and it's done. Okay, now in code, I need to access them. For accessing them, I need a configuration root, name configuration, and I'm going to build it this way, configuration builder dot add user secrets for class program.cs and .build. Now I'm going to access them like the OpenAI key is configuration OpenAI key. Was it this name? OpenAI key, yes. And model name is my model name. We have an error here. What does it say? Maybe it's I configuration root. Yes, it's an interface, I configuration root. Okay, I've got my OpenAI key and my model name, and let's go for the AI part. There are many ways to send requests to OpenAI or even other LLMs in C#. We have created a video about it, and we have covered top 5 ways to do that. You can watch it if you want. But in this video, we're going to use Microsoft.extensions.ai. It allows us to write code and easily switch between LLMs. For example, in this video, we're going to use OpenAI. If later you wanted to change it to Gemini, you can do it by changing only a few lines of code, and the logic is all the same. So I'm going to say iChat clients equals new chat clients builder. Okay, it is an iChat client from me. You see how I'm going to create it. Let's check it out. I'm going to say new OpenAI client. As you can see, the constructor needs an API key from me. I'm going to say OpenAI key, and then get chat client. It needs a model name from me. I'm going to say pass the model as iChat client. Okay, and here I'm going to say .build. I've got my iChat client. So I know that in this video we're going to cover how to add our own functions to our LLM so it can use it. But first of all, let's create a simple chat app with memory actually, without our functions, to see what problems we are going to face, and then we're going to add the own functions feature to the project. Okay. Because I want my application to have memory, I'm going to say list of chat message with name history messages equals a new list of chat message. Actually here you can add a system prompt as well, so the LLM will read it for the initialization. Let's see how to do it. I'm going to say a new list, and it has a new message, chat role that system, and the problem the content is you're smart and funny as the system. Anything you want to be, anything you want here. Okay, now I'm going to say while true, because we're going to chat with the application. Read the user prompt from console. That's read line. If user prompt is null or empty, tell the user, hey, please insert the prompt and continue. When we continue, the code gets here again. It's going to read the prompt again because we're in a while loop. Now I'm going to say, I have a chat message with the name of user message, not messages actually. We're going to give it chat role.user and the user prompt. Now we add it to the history messages, and we simply call the LLM to get the response from that. I'm going to say var response equals chat client that get response async, and I pass history messages to that. Very easy. And finally, I'm going to print the response, but calling response.text. That's all. Let's run our project and see what is going to happen. I'm going to say, hi, I'm Sean. Oops, we got an error. It says API key provided GPT-4o is invalid. Oh, look at here. Why did you write it like this? The OpenAI key comes here and model name comes here. Very weird error. Okay, let's run it again. Hi, I'm Sean. Hi Sean, nice to meet you. Okay, if I ask what is the capital city of Brazil, of course it's going to answer me. It's an LLM. Yes, it's working. But what if we ask it, what time is it? A very simple question. It says the capital city of Brazil is Brasilia. It cannot answer us what time is it. But actually, this wasn't the result that I was looking for. Let's see. I think we have an error. We have a bug here. Let's add history messages. Let's add response.text again. Oh, sorry. New, come on. New chat message, chat role. That's assistant and response.text, because it thought that it hasn't answered my first question because it wasn't in its memory. So I've added to it just a simple bug for a chatbot to make sure that everything is working correctly as we want. I say hi, I'm Sean, and say what time is it? It says I'm unable to provide real-time information. So let's fix it. To add our own functions, we need to say use function invocation in the configuration of our chat clients, and we need to define a chat options. I name it chat. Come on. Options? Oh my god, I can't believe. I think it's the 7th time that I've... You see it's not working. Okay. New chat options. It gets a list of tools from me. Okay? You see? And I list of AI tool. I'm going to declare it right like this. AI function factory that creates a new function. I'm declaring my function here. I'm going to say you're going to return datetime.now. And you see these parentheses here? They're for our parameters. For instance, I can say int day. Okay? Those are our parameters. This function has no parameters. And I will give it a name. What is the name? Get current date time. It needs a description. Guys, the description is very important because the LLM is going to choose functions based on their description. It's what it knows from our functions. I'm going to say this method returns current date time. Okay, let's run the project again. Is it going to work? No. So let's stop it. Why? Because we have declared our chat options, but we never called it. Okay, so here in the get response async, I'm going to give chat options as well. First rebuild the project and run it. So I say, what time is it? You see, it says the current time is 8:32 p.m. Perfect. I say just return hour and minutes. There's no function for just returning hour and minutes, but I think it's going to handle it. Let's check it out. 8:32. Perfect. You see, it calls our function, but it's not returning the exact value of that. It gets the value, processes that, and returns the text to the user. And it's perfect. Let's check out another example with some parameters. I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. This one gets int days. So I'm going to return get name of the day. Okay, I'm going to return name of the day. So I'm going to say date time, but now that's at days that's day of week, that to a string. Okay, so this method returns the name of the day in the future or past. You need to pass days count. Okay, we can write better description as well, but I think it's going to work. So for example, I say what is the name of 2 days? What is the name of the day in 2 days? It's going to answer me. So today is Friday. I'm going to say what is the name of the day in 2 days? The answer should be Sunday. The name of the day in 2 days is Sunday, and it's working. You can add functions for calling API, sending HTTP requests. I don't know if you're searching the web. No, not searching the web. For if you want that much complex task, it's better to use semantic kernel, which we have recorded some videos about it, and it's great to watch. But you can add whatever tools you want here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was useful for you. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for sharing your opinions in the comments below. See you in the next videos.